Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Reza Apriliani from Sarjana Keperawatan to be class. My purpose today is presenting about strategies for the reading comprehension questions. This task is divided into three main parts. The first one is skill 4 about implied detail questions. The second is skill 5 about vocabulary in context. The third is skill 6 about where questions. My presentations will take about 10 minutes. Firstly, I like to look at skill 4 is about implied detail questions. The questions about the implied is conclude, so the keyword are not implied in the text but implied. So we have to conclude from the existing statement. Here in example of the statement, it is implied in the passage that, it can be inferred from the passage that, it is most likely that, what probably happened. So if there are implied, inferred, most likely that, and what probably happen, it means a question related to the conclusion. The trick is that we look for the keyword first, then it must be scanned, it must be check and recheck back from the keyword, and reading from the sentence that contains the keyword. Then we can find the answer, conclude from the statement. Next, let me give you an example. Number 1. It is implied in the passage that if a tree has 100 wide bands and 100 narrow bands, that is, the answer is A, a country of. Because that means look for the keywords wide bands and narrow bands. It can be seen in line 3 to 4. That is says one light color wide bands and one dark color narrow bands. Here is each year. Each year means that every year brought one. So how many years can be spent to get 100 wide bands and 100 narrow bands? The answer is for a country or 100 years. Okay, next. Let's now move on to skill 5. Skill 5, vocabulary in context. Question relate to a vocabulary as for the example questions. What is the meaning? Which of the following is closest meaning to? Could be reflected by which of the following? That is, the closest meaning can be replied with what word is usually notified on which line, so that it can be answered quickly. As for how to answer, 1. Find the word or expression in the passage. 2. Read the sentence that contains the word carefully. 3. Look for the context clue to help you understand the meaning. 4. Choose the answer that the context indicates. Okay, next, let me give you an example. Number 1, the questions. A geranium is probably which of the following? The answer is D, a plant. Because here we don't know what geranium is, but we see the context sentence, geranium growing in a pot in the corner of the apartment. So we can conclude that geranium is plant because it is stored in a pot. So the answer is a plant. Okay, next, let's now move on to skill 6. Skill 6, where questions. The questions is you have to look for the keyword in which line. Look for the word and match it in the text. And of course, this line becomes a snapshot. Okay, next, let me give you an example. Number one, the questions. The author indicates how often Old Faithful erupts in. The answer is C. Lines 5 to 6. Because here we can see the keyword or Faithful erupts. This one, the 5 lines. So answer is C. Lines 5 to 6. Okay. So the conclusion in the discussion for reading skill 4 to skill 6, namely look for the keyword in the questions, check the keyword and the sentence. The answer can be the preface of the following words, the keyword. Let me end by saying Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.